Yo, what's good, people? Producer Mykah here, and today, guys, I'm gonna be showing you, a breakdown to, my recent song featuring Iga Boy titled "Comfort." I'm gonna be showing you guys how I made this beat and breaking the beats basically. In case you've not heard that song, the link is gonna be in the description. Just go support me. If you're watching this video, just support me by going and help stream that song. Let's just listen.
The way you smile, they making my heart, they do bing bing. Wanna dance to your love rhythm. Fell in love in a split minute, yo, yeah. Annabella, rocking a boteca, yeah. Wanna dash you all my ego and my cheddar, yeah. All of the girls wanna be like you, like you, like you. Cause the way you loving is different. I'm so obsessed with your thickness. Mind you, girl, is a compliment. I fell in love with your intimacy. I did fancy your intimacy, yeah.
Alright, so basically, you have an idea of how the beats sound and or how the song sound. And trust me, this is a very, very simple, beat type. So we have the chord. Nice. And so for the chords, what I'm using is Sky Keys, my go-to plugin, Sky Keys, amazing plugin. And just a very, very simple chord progression I'm playing there. So this is the chord progression. Nice. And for the chords, what I'm applying, I'm just using drip. For me, I always love using drip on Sky Keys because it just gives it this different texture. I'm sure if when I made the beat I was using like modern melodies, that would have definitely be the effect I would have added. But I added drip, and I actually like the textures because without it sounds like this. And not bad, but with drip I just love the textures that it gave it. Then the other thing I have was this pad. So with the pad we have this, and for the pad I'm using Triton. Triton Dream Voices, the same thing, the same chord progression that the main this chord is playing. So we just have this. Nice. It has this emotion, just have this calm vibe going all through. Then let me just solo that with the lead vocal so you hear what it sounds like.
My joy, I know they lie, no they lie, oh no. My joy, my comfort, I know they lie, no they lie, oh no.
Like you can just see the emotion, just having the chord and the pad, just makes everything amazing. So yeah.
My joy, my comfort, I know they lie, no they lie, oh no.
Nice. So then the next thing is just the drum. So let me go over to the drums, and the drum is just a very, very simple basic pattern. So we have our kick and our snare. Yeah, so this is what our rim shot is just playing. And you can see that the rim shot, the velocity is actually down. It's because I layered it with other, rim shots that were, gonna be picking really, really hard. So yeah, so we have this for our, then for our kick, I have two patterns for our kick. This is the first pattern. Then this is the second pattern. The second pattern. Nice. So yeah, so with our rim shot, then we have this conga. Yeah, then next thing is this drum loop. I see. So that was why I brought the velocity of that other rim shot down, because this drum loop I was using already had like a very, very nice punchy snare. So together we have this. Then I just layered with another drum loop. Yeah, so that's basically everything for the drums. Then I think I had this rim shot, this. Yeah, so with the rim shot we have this. Then there was this guitar, or I think it's guitar. Yeah, so there was this guitar loop, that I just chopped the guitar at various points. So it just fits, basically the vibe fits with the chord progression. Yeah, but then we have the logs. So just is very simple log drums, and you actually spent a lot of time on this log, because when I made the first log, I sent it, was like, nah, this is so busy. It just needs something very simple, and so we just came up with this very, very simple, drum or simple log drum pattern. Have a different pattern of log here, and for this, I used 2 different log drums. Then layer it with some snare, and with the snare I have this. So after I was done with drums, I wasn't still feeling it, so I had to go to Sabar Sounds, and yeah, there's this drum loop from Sabar Sounds. This is it. So what I just did, I needed, because I had lots of snares playing, and I know that this drum loop like open right now has a snare on it. So if I add that snare, that's gonna make the whole snare too loud for the whole vibe. So what I did, I just chopped and just used only the shakers, and this is what it sounds like. So yeah, with that together I have this. Then then we have this pluck. This pluck is also from Sky Keys. Yeah, it sounds like this. One of the bass, Omnisphere. Yeah, just just something simple. Nice. So together, let me play it from that part. So here I was just having like a normal slide bass, normal 1-note bass playing. Then I also have on that block that was playing, and it's from Analog Lab. Yeah, so together with that, this was a heavier pluck, so it sounds like. I always say, guys, it's actually good to select the right sound. So for my drums now, for my rim shot, so if you can see from my kick, nothing on my kick because I actually selected the right kick. Then for my rim shot, nothing on my rim shot because I actually selected the right rim shot. Then this percussion, I just have EQ, cutting out the low end. Then what else again? Yeah, so that's basically everything on this song, man. And I hope this vibe is amazing, and I hope you guys definitely go stream out that song. I think that's basically everything. So from the top,
they making my heart, they do bing bing. Wanna dance to your love rhythm. Fell in love in a split minute, yo, yeah. Annabella, rocking a boteca, yeah. Wanna dash you all my echo and my cheddar, yeah. All of the girls wanna be like you, like you, like you. Cause the way you loving is different. I'm so obsessed with your thickness. Mind you, girl, is a compliment. I fell in love with your intimacy. I did fancy your intimacy, yeah. My joy, my comfort. I know they lie well.
yep, and so basically, you know, that's the whole vibe. Guys, just kindly I beg of you, if you're watching this video, just support me by going to stream that song. I'm gonna drop the link in the description. All you just have to do is click on it and, you know, support your guy. Now support me. Thank you guys, and I hope you got something from this. If you have any question about, you know, this vibe, and, you know, want me to show you something more, just drop your comment in the comment section, and I'm sure gonna respond to you. Thank you guys for watching. And if you had to join the Patreon, you know, the Patreon is an amazing community where you get access to, you know, lots of freebies, get one shot, get FLPs. You definitely want to be on the Patreon. The link is also going to be in the description. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next one. Peace.